Okay, so who are we gonna adjust first? Okay. What's his name? Lucy. Okay. Okay, Lucy. Let's get a good adjustment on you. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. One more time. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. Lucy, you're gonna feel so much better. Okay, who we got here?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh my gosh, I love that name. Okay, Strawberry. You're gonna be refreshed. There we go. Let's get another good one. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, Strawberry Shortcake. Oh yeah. Okay, well thanks for bringing your animals. You want to do the video? Okay. Let's get a good one. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Woody, let's get you adjusted, buddy. Okay, Woody. I think you're a little out of alignment, buddy. Okay. There we go. You're gonna be good. Oh, I think what he's gonna do is he's gonna start dancing a little bit, isn't he? He is. Let's get your baby adjusted. Oh yeah, you gonna help me? Okay, okay, ready? Bring your hand down right here. Okay, good. Okay, pull it up from in. There we go. Move your hand down, don't smash it. Okay, good. Do another one. Okay. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, good as new. Thanks for bringing Buzz today. We're gonna do a little adjustment on him today. Okay, how we doing, Buzz Lightyear? Whoa! Did you see him? Well, he's ready now, isn't he? I know. Here we go. Good job. It's Pikachu, right? Okay. Pikachu needs an adjustment today. Okay, thanks for coming. Restore his power. There we go. Power on. We're going to adjust the panda today. One more. Okay. Panda's all set. Okay. What's your baby's name?
The baby needs another adjustment. Can you adjust her again?
Yeah.
She needs her back adjusted again. Can you do it?
Okay. What's your baby's name?
Gummy bear.
Gummy Bear. Okay. Okay, Gummy Bear, you're gonna be all set. Okay, good as new. Thank you very much. Okay, we're gonna get you all fixed up today. She's gonna do so much better, isn't she? She is. Okay, there we go. Good job. Oh my gosh. Let's get him back in alignment. There we go. He's back in alignment.